everybody. Welcome to another episode of Car Guitar. Today is a special episode brought to you by VIP Limousine Service. So we'll be spending some time in a beautiful, decked out limousine today, and hope you enjoy. How's it going, Rock?
Good.
We're here with Rock Savoy, and it's another version of car guitar that I've never experienced before. Check this out. Woo! Right on! I wrote this about, playing in a band. You know all about that, Rock. And what happens is that you're playing music, and it's 2 o'clock in the morning. It's time to tear down your equipment, and after playing drums all night, you're sweating, things are, so you ask the bartender if she could set aside a beer for you after the show's over, even though it's after last call. She'll say, yeah, I'll put it in the fridge and I'll uncap it and it'll be there for you when you get off stage, right? Because we can't, sometimes you can't just drink on stage and stuff so easily. So you go in back and have a beer, right? And the next thing, and you don't want, I find after every show, you just don't want to tear down. You don't want to tear down your gear right away because you want to socialize and, as the people are leaving and stuff like that. And next thing you know, it's 4:30 in the morning and you're still not home. So this song is all about going through that experience and getting in trouble for it. So it goes like this. A big black cloud coming out of the sky. It's coming after me, I don't know why. It's bigger than a hurricane, stronger than the sea. Suddenly, it's raining on me. There ain't no dinner on the table tonight. I'm eating Colonel Dirty Bird, staying out of sight, while she's freaking in the kitchen, slamming cupboard doors for no good reason. When it rains, it pours. When it rains, Lord, it pours. When it rains, it rains, it rains. Lord, it pours. Woo! Just the other night I came home a little late. Opened up the latch on my front porch gate. I tippy-toed the kitchen, tippy-toed the stairs. When I looked up, she was standing right there. Now the whole house is rocking like a hurricane. Lord, shelter me from the pouring rain. You better batten all the hatches, better deadbolt all the doors. 'Cause when it rains, it rains, it rains. Lord, it pours, yeah. 'Cause when it rains, it rains. Lord, it pours. Yeah, let's hear it out. Woo! Wow. How's it all going out there in guitar world? The other night I came home a little late and I opened up the latch on my front porch gate and I tippy-toed the kitchen and I tippy-toed the stairs. When I looked up, she was standing right there. Now the whole house is rocking like a hurricane. Lord, shelter me from the pouring rain. Better batten all the hatches, better deadbolt all the doors back. 'Cause when it rains, it rains. Oh, Lord, it pours. Woo! When it rains, it rains, it rains. Lord, it pours, yeah. Woo, yeah. Lord, it pours. Woo. Woo! Lord, it pours. Woo! Lord, it pours. It sure does. Lord, it pours. All right. Thank you for tuning in. Car Guitar. Brought to you by VIP Limousine.
What they don't do shit.